So this is a tutorial anyone can do just through basic Excel, creating a drop-down list. So they give you a list here, just working through the data validation. So you can make your own list here. Now your options will be limited to what I've just typed in there. Cool. So first off, just make this into a table. It's got headers, status list. Data validation. This time for the criteria, I'm going to choose from a list, and the source will be the table we just created. Okay. So ready for review, we'll put down. If you want to add in another option, since it's a table format, just add it down. You see it fits within the table. It's now an option. So last bit's just creating input message. So same thing, data tab, data validation, input message tab up here. Now when you hover over, it'll come up. Add in an error this time. Someone puts in the wrong information. Okay, so now if we put in something fake, it'll come up, select the status from the drop down. No, we'll clear it. Cool, that's all there is.